Hi everyone, Ray here. On this video, I'm gonna show you how to pay your Security Bank credit card from the Security Bank mobile app. First, open the app. On the dashboard, you'll see your credit card here. And then, you'll see your credit card details, outstanding balance, amount due, due date, and your credit limit details. Dito naman sa baba, you'll see yung history, mga transactions that you've done on your credit card, information, cardholder name, billing cycles, last statement date, and minimum amount due, and manage credit card, where you have the option to lock your card. So maganda to just in case na nanakaw yung credit card, pwede nyong i-lock para hindi magamit. You can also view your e-statement. So if ever man hindi nyo natanggap through email, pwede nyo i-check dito. Not just the current one, pero yung mga previous e-statements as well. And what we want to do is to pay our credit card. Click Pay Credit Card. Select nyo dito kung saang fund manggagaling yung payment of your credit card. So if you have multiple accounts, more than one yung lalabas dito. Then click Submit. Once you've clicked Submit, review the details, your source of fund, payment for what credit card, and yung amount. Click Pay. Input your PIN or Face ID, and there you go. The payment request was already sent. Now, what I usually do is take a screenshot. For more details, you can swipe up from here. You'll see yung status, kung kailan nyo binayaran, the frequency, on this case, one-time payment lang tayo, amount, and fees kung meron. Since we are paying our Security Bank through the Security Bank app, walang fees na binayaran. You'll also receive a notification through email and text message. So you can see here, our payment was already successful. You can also pay through here. Just click Pay Bills. For me, nakasave na yung Security Bank credit card ko as a biller. Kaya makikita niyo siya dito. Click that. And then, again, same process. Just select your source account, yung biller name, kung kanino babayaran, payment details, and everything. So if you want to save this biller para hindi nyo laging ini-input yung credit card number, toggle nyo lang to. Let's go back. If you check your transactions by clicking this, here you'll see na meron na tayong bills payment transaction, which again confirms na nag-push yung payment natin. That's it, guys. I hope this video helped. If you have any questions, comment down below. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thank you, guys. Bye!